Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Going to do a quick walk around video on this Caravelle that we've just taken into stock, got up for sale. This is a late 2020 70 plate, very rare Caravelle long wheelbase. It's the SE model as they all were on the long wheelbase. 150 PS engine with a 7-speed DSG gearbox. Got some lovely factory options on it, and as you can see, full styling kit with a gloss black pack, front and rear spoilers, 20-inch gloss black Velour wheels with Pirelli P0 tyres, all brand new, with side bars and roof rails too. Indium Grey, so one of the most popular colours there is. Has got factory privacy glass there. We can further tint that at your cost if you wish us to do so, to total privacy. Now this one's got the very expensive full black Nappa leather upgrade. Contrast stitching, this is from the factory. It's a privately owned vehicle, so no VAT to pay on the sale price. It's also got the important 3-zone climate option and heated front seats. Now as standard, these come with adaptive cruise control, front and rear park sensors, and Google Maps sat nav through App Connect on the factory system there. It's worth noting as well, the Caravelles come with the power closing doors. I'll show you that in a minute. Not fully electric, but it just sort of sucks them in when they catch the latch. Now this long wheelbase, so you get 40 centimetres of extra space in the back, which might not sound a lot, but when you start manoeuvring seats about and getting stuff in, it's a huge amount of room. Now this is a used vehicle, so it's got just under 7,000 miles on, hence on the outside there will be the odd stone chip that's touched in. We always say this on our videos, just to set expectations accordingly. It's not brand new, so you do get the odd little chip. But any that we see, we always touch in. It's also got the 30mm Volkswagen genuine lowering springs on this one. Just makes it sit a little nicer. Sportline rear spoiler. As you can see, it's been debadged at the back, apart from the matte contrast VW badge. Smoked out lights and lenses too. And the Range Rover shaped rear plate. This one's got the benefit of a single electric tow bar on it and a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. In the rear, you'll note we've still got the factory plastics on the floor, so it comes supplied with those. Now those can be taken off if you wish them to, we just leave them on for a little bit of protection. And with the seats moved forward just a little bit there, creates a good extra area. If I move to the side, you can get a better idea of how much space there is there. And don't forget, you've got the full height of the vehicle too, so you can easily put tall items in. Now this is where these look their best from the side view. You see the difference that the lowering springs, the wheels and the styling bits make. Moving inside the vehicle, it has got factory power fold wing mirrors. And the mileage today, 6,624 miles. We'll just zoom out here to the steering wheel. So now as standard, you get a flat bottom wheel with multifunction and the adaptive cruise control. As I mentioned, really rare to find in long wheelbase these. You can't order a new Caravelle anymore, so there's going to be less and less of these out and about on the roads. Now we can supply some great finance deals on this if it's personal purchase through PCP, but we do have business finance options too. And we do welcome part exchanges. So if you're interested, please do get in touch with us, and thanks for watching.